The jelly effect can really ruin an otherwise great shot. Especially when flying slowly with the DJI Avata 2, you may notice this distortion in the image, but luckily, there's a solution. In this video, I'll show you how to use the low-pass filter in Gyroflow to fix the problem. The jelly effect happens when the camera records the image line by line, and motion or vibrations cause the image to wobble or jelly. This often occurs with drones like the DJI Avata 2 when flying slowly, especially under certain lighting conditions and with kind of low shutter speed. Gyroflow is a powerful tool for stabilizing video using gyro data from the camera, but in addition to stabilization, we can also use the low-pass filter to reduce vibrations and eliminate the distracting jelly effect. From the Gyroflow documentation, it states the following about the low-pass filter. Low-pass filter is useful to filter out high-frequency vibrations or oscillations picked up by the IMU sensor. If you're using the camera on a drone and the camera mount is not filtering the vibrations from the motors, then your motion data can be noisy and it will affect the stabilization. In this case, you can apply low-pass filter to filter out the high-frequency vibrations while keeping the lower-frequency camera motion intact. On the DJI Avata 2, DJI's own stabilization feature called RockSteady is enabled by default. This needs to be turned off for the gyro data to become available. Additionally, the camera angle must be changed from ultra-wide to wide. In the menu on the Goggles 3, go to Settings and then Camera. Under Camera FOV, change from ultra-wide to wide. Then select EIS and set it to off. You will now receive a message confirming that gyroscope data will be included in the video files. The next thing you need to do is download Gyroflow. It is compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux. Gyroflow is free, and I will include a download link in the description. I will now walk you through step by step how to stabilize a simple video imported from the Avata 2. Step 1. Start Gyroflow, find the video file you want to stabilize, and drag it into Gyroflow. If the file contains your gyro data, you will see that Gyroflow reads it. After that, you will see DJI Avata 2 under Lens Profile. Step 2. In the top right, you can adjust field of view and smoothness. How much you need to adjust here depends on the movement in the video and how smooth you want the video to be. Increasing the field of view helps keep more of the scene but might introduce black borders if overdone, indicated by red lines in the timeline. Maximize the FOV without getting red lines for the best result. Step 3. Trim your video. Under the preview window, you can use the left bracket and right bracket buttons to trim your footage to the desired length. If you need to merge two videos, Gyroflow can handle that as well. Just drag both videos into Gyroflow at the same time. If you see red vertical lines on the timeline, it means that black borders are showing in your video, and you need to adjust the field of view or smoothness. Press the Toggle Stabilization Overview button to see this more clearly. Adjust the field of view down until the black border is no longer visible. Step 4. In the bottom left, activate the low-pass filter. The default is set to 50, and you can leave it at that. By pressing play, you can preview the stabilization result before exporting. Once you are satisfied with the result, press export. The file will be saved in the same folder as the original file, with _stabilized added to the name. Although DJI's built-in stabilization, RockSteady, is quite good, we have more options in Gyroflow. I therefore recommend using Gyroflow, even though it requires a bit more work in post. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, feel free to subscribe and leave a thumbs up.